should have won.
I think it costs to get in.
No, it don't.
It don't?
You just had to be there right.
Ooh.
You have to be there at a certain time.
Oh my God, they come out of candy.
Where they
They
at?
come out of candy, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh, they so low.
Oh, battery. What?
That would have been great if I would have been on that. You would have been on that building.
Yes.
Or the GM building. You probably would have got popped in the face.
Right. The people that's probably at the other part, they probably like,
Man,
wow.
Good view, I'm saying. Like, if I
When I was downtown, we was like right there. We had the best view ever. We literally seen.
Yes.